Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You guys are familiar with this 96 Tacoma, which has 270,000 miles. It's a four-wheel drive. The baby got today new ranchos, so it's getting better and better. The owner is really investing in those repairs, and I shared a story with you that his upper ball joint broke recently on this when he was talking to his wife that they should bring the truck to me for at least inspection and recommendations. He did this at that one facility, and then he wanted come to me, and he kept saying, "Hey Peter, we gotta change also the other upper ball joint." And yeah, he was right. We did here the sway bar end links, we did a bunch of stuff, and this is a lifted vehicle. You see that there is the lift on it, and that will always put extra pressure and extra wear on these upper ball joints. And guess what? Let me show you how right he was. Now, because it has that bad angle here, because the lift, it was hard to see, but this boot, the rubber boot I removed already, was cracked. It was kind of like pulled off. Actually, it was cracked, but now I'll be quiet. Look at this fella and see how bad it is. Absolutely on the brink of giving up. So he was absolutely right. We agreed together on it, that it gotta go. But he kept pushing. It's like, as soon as possible, please. And he was absolutely right. This is disaster waiting to happen. And that was just really quick grabbing the camera and sharing this with you. He's waiting for it. He needs it today ASAP, so I don't have time to play with camera and show every single step of removal and installation of the new one, but I want to show you. This is a ticking bomb, and these things needs to be frequently inspected. You have to make sure they are perfect. There's no play in that ball joint. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.